So now in this video, we're gonna start charging this power bank there with 3 USB power banks. So they all output only 5 volts, so I want to put them in series to raise their voltage. It says you need 10 volts, but with 2 of these I wasn't getting any charge into it. So I added a third one in series. Here we have the barrel jack. You can screw down wires to it. We're going to bypass this one. We got the negative there. That resistor is really hot right there. It's a 10 watt resistor. I was doing this before. So we got the positive side of that one over there. We do need some resistance because it looks like I fried this power bank. So it just took a little bit of time to kind of calculate stuff there. We didn't really miss anything. But in any case, there you can see we're charging it at about 10 watts right there. All 3 of these turned on automatically. Sometimes if I had trouble getting them on, I just pressed the button until they turned on. But it looks like we'll fully charge this power bank in 7 hours. Connecting them in series was easy. That's that cable there comes to these 2 alligator clips. The red one goes over to that USB over there, and then the black one comes over to the black power bank over there, and then the red side to that resistor. It's a 5 ohm resistor right there, and I did have 10 total ohms of resistance before, but we only got like half the power. So it looks like the power pack is gonna reduce current a little bit with this setup right there, and so we can get away with just 1. Since we have 15 volts that we're working with, that means at 10 watts, that's less than 1 amp of current flowing through. Of course, we could look at efficiency. These power banks are a lot cheaper per watt hour. So you get these 2 are 30 amp hours, I believe, and that one's 20 amp hours, but that's at the 3.6 volt nominal voltage of the lithium polymer battery that is in them. And so you multiply that for wattage. So I believe that one's like 88 watt hours, and these are like 104 watt hours. You could probably get these for $20 if you find them on sale. Probably going to be about $30 regular price. And this one, probably $20 regular price. You might find it for like $15 on sale, or if it has a coupon or something. So you can get it quite a bit cheaper per watt hour. I've been finding these like 50 cents per watt hour if I find a sale. This particular one, I found it for about 33 cents a watt hour. It was only $100 instead of $300 normally. Of course, all these could lie about how much capacity they have. So I find if it's 30 amp hours, it's probably about this size. Same with this one. This one's pretty hefty right there. It's not as wide as that one, but it's pretty big. And then this one, you can see how small it is right there. Only got the 3 ports, takes up, it's skinny, and it's about the same length right there. So now this power bank, which I think is safe to say is dead right there, I had it in this spot. I had the red alligator clip already clipped directly to the barrel plug right there. The black one, I brought the black one and then directly connected it there. I saw a spark, and that was the last time I saw it. It was the black one was over here. I ever saw it alive at that point. So I think we got a reverse voltage across that power bank, and the other 2 are probably more powerful or something, kicked on sooner or something and fried it somehow. So the resistance right there will help build up a voltage across that resistance and help prevent it from shuffling across something else. So you may need 1 or more resistors if you try to set something up like this. That is my opinion, at least right now.